ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to what analysis in my last video, when the price exactly was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for buy, and this is what we get. And after that, the prices start to correct, because if you put this move in relative to what we have here, if you refer to the indicators, we see we had a divergence. That's why we had enough reasons for the price to correct. And know that, because at that time when the price was here, we have been looking for this correction. Now the question is whether we can put this one in relative to this. As I mentioned, in most of the charts we have this, we can look for running flat. Okay, anyway, we will move to daily chart. We can see the price broke the previous top. Now we want to see what we get here, either the correction for continuation or the price can continue as a corrective. If the price continues as what I draw here, mostly we cannot look for really good trade setup. That's why the best thing is if we get the correction here, because for the next move can give us better trade setup. Anyway, we want to see right now based on daily chart. The only thing is we have to wait and see what we get here. And if we move to forward chart, we can see the way is moving. We have a divergence, and also based on MACD. That's why we could expect the price to correct. The only thing is how deep this one can go, whether we can put in relative to each other or not. That's why any reversal we can look for buy. This is what we have on most of the charts. Okay. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, any reversal from now we can look for buy, but the indicators doesn't show us any reversal point. We don't need to rely on the indicators. And still, if we get a correction, we can expect for the continuation. But if we want to put this one in relative to this, if this is the one we're looking for and is correct, maybe the price can expect to drop a bit more, but we can expect the we can look for the reversal. That what I want to say, this one cannot be really deep unless this one turn to expanding flat. If this one tend to expanding flat, mostly this correction will be really complicated. That's why if we want to look for buy, we have to get the reversal. We cannot simply jump into the trade. We cannot simply buy without any trade setup, because if there is a continuation and if this one drop and break the previous low, we can expect for the expanding. And if we get expanding, mostly we can expect more complex correction for before the price reverse. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We don't have any trade setup. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.